Amy with Roneys and Roneys. I'm trying to clean on this mobile home. Looks like somebody left the door open. Hope nobody's been here. Brian probably forgot it. Anyway, I'm at this small little mobile home that needed some cleaning. I'm going to get my supplies. I've already got them. I'm going to put them in here because I have the babies asleep in the car. I can't do anything right now with them. I'm going to move my supplies in here, and by the time I get all that done, it'll probably be time to go get the kids from the bus, then go to pick up Hope from basketball practice. My feet sticking to the floor. No, they didn't sweep them up. I just have so much to do. I'm just adding all this to it. So I guess it's a lot of running today. But I was hoping that maybe if I can get all my supplies in here tonight, I may be able to clean a little bit, and I may do a clean with me in the mobile home. I don't know if anybody likes that. I've seen those out there, but since I've got to do it, why not video it? So let me get started on getting my supplies. Try to put everything in a bucket here. I'm sure I probably forgot something. I always do. I get cleaning. And then there's something else. I'm just thankful that this one's not a major clean. Broom, mop. Can't do anything without a broom and a mop. Apparently, you can clean without a broom and a mop. All these mobile homes have been cleaned. Brushes and all that. Gotta have a toilet cleaner. Windex. We'll put these up here. I don't know if I can get on those. Carpet cleaner and a shampooer. I hope this carpet in the bedroom comes clean. I'll vacuum it real good, and then I'll use the shampoo on it. It's just when you first come in, you can tell it's really wore. Dingy looking. There looks like a spot that has been trying to cleaned up there. It's darker there. And there's a few in the other spots, but them two, maybe that. Looks like somebody may have singed the carpet or something. Anyway. That's going to be my chore tonight, cleaning carpet. Let's go get the rest of my stuff. all I have is a tripod. You know, I'm trying to learn to carry a tripod around, because when you're doing cleaning, paint, and different things, you can't hold one in your hand and operate. I need to put a small one in my hand for doing stuff like I'm doing now. But whew, I'm out of breath. Another mobile home to do. Well, I guess it's time to go get a car wash, pick up the kids, go get Hope, come home, cook, feed children. Daddy will be home and we'll eat together, and probably leave babies with him. And after we leave the babies with him, I'll come back over here and work and try to get this knocked out tonight. And that would be nice. Guess what? I have another one tomorrow to start. It's not bad. I have inspected it and they don't have a lot of stuff at all. Just some lightly cleaning in it. So I do need to check the bathroom and the one that's moving out that I've got to start cleaning, and make sure it doesn't need painting in the bathroom. If it does, that'll be a little bit major, but other than that, I think it's gonna go pretty smoothly. A little bit of cleaning and we'll be done with it. Thank God. But anyway, thanks for watching from Raising Roneys.